Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide list item with data price using JavaScript code in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page and then you see list item with price. So this is our data price 20. So we are going to hide it and you can use custom code in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to add JavaScript code and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type, now select JavaScript snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, then you see code preview, now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see list item li data price, so you can add your data price here. Now go to page, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see list li data price is equal to 20. So we are going to add it. Now go to custom code. So we are going to add 20 here. Now you see 392. So you can add your data price value and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location side by header, on top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. So we are going to check it. Now click on it and then you see list item with data price 20 hide. Right click on it and then click on inspect to check, and in inspect element now you see li data price 20 display none, data price 30 display show. Now you see, so you can add data price value in custom code according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.